남태평양 위 작은 보트 한 척. 통가로 향하기 위해 그저 평범한 항해를 하던 4명의 남자. 잠에 들려던 그때 삐걱거리는 소리에 한 남자가 잠에서 깨고 별일 없어 보였지만 곧이어 배 하나를 삼키기에 충분한 높이 12m에 달하는 거대한 파도가 밀려오는데 아무것도 모른 채 잠에 빠져있는 그들. 배가 흔들리기 시작하자 하나둘 잠에서 깨고 거대한 파도가 보트에 다가올수록 마치 중력을 거스르는 듯 균형을 잃고 날아가죠. 순식간에 보트를 덮친 파도.
Suddenly, we were upside down, with water flooding through the companionway.
배의 선장이었던 존은 다급히 몸을 일으키고
Getting we're upside down, mate. We're bloody sinking. We won't sink. The water will stop rising when it equalizes with outside. Okay?
어디까지 차오를지 모를 상황에 존은 모든 음식을 확보하려 하고
Down, Kevin. It's the highest point. Look, that's about as good as we're going to get it. Rick! Rick! What are you doing? Emergency mate. Come on, Phil. Come on, Phil. Get in.
최대한 높은 곳으로 자리를 이동하고 그들은 그곳에 그렇게 갇히게 되었죠.
What now? What the fuck do we do now? Yeah, eat.
침착했던 존은 베테랑 선장이었죠.
We're gonna die. We're rooked.
Shut the fuck up.
She's gonna break up. Sooner or later, a storm or a container ship, we're going down.
Just keep calm, okay? That's the main thing. We'll be alright.
We just turned this thing the right side up.
Can't. Impossible.
Why not?
Once a multi-hull capsizes, it stays that way.
Fucked on the drawing board. Bloody death traps.
Oh, we bring something up, make masks, sail upside down.
She's 75% underwater, alright? Unnavigable. Hey. I got food. I got water. I got tanks. Full of it. Thousands of liters. We just have to wait. We'll be okay.
하지만 망망대해에서 구조만을 기다리는 건 막막한 일이었죠. 존은 밖을 보기 위해 톱질을 하고
Mutilation.
Yeah, of course. We need to do it if you build an escape hatch.
Now someone's gonna hear us. Right?
How long before someone picks up a signal, you reckon?
Hard to say. Not too many boats out here. Have to be a plane.
Well, how close they have to be to pick up a signal?
I wanted to sail before the weather changed.
원래 함께할 선원들이 출항 직전에 빠져버리고 급하게 존은 대체 인원을 구해야 했었죠.
Ah, it's tropics, mate. You know, sun, warm beaches, more beautiful women you can shake your stick at.
그렇게 그들이 합류하게 되고 가족과 작별 인사를 나눈 뒤 통가로 향하게 됩니다.
This voyage was going to take me back to my old cruising haunts of the South Pacific. New beginnings, a fresh start, love and adventure. I'd invested everything I had in Rose Noel. She was my pride and joy, my home, my haven.
로즈 노엘은 존에게 목숨만큼이나 소중한 배였죠. 북섬 동쪽 해안에 강한 사이클론이 예보됐지만 바람을 등에 업고 통가까지 빠르게 갈 수 있었기에 순조로운 항해가 될 거라 예상했죠.
I I estimated our position to be about 140 miles off the east coast. The EPIRB signal was well outside the reach of domestic aircraft. We'd need to pin our hopes on an international flight.
현재로선 신호를 기다리는 수밖에 없던 그들.
I can't breathe. It's time you took a turn back there. Oh, shit!
Can't be much longer now, surely. Somebody's got to hear that signal.
They will. We've been pretty lucky up till now.
Lucky. In what way have we been lucky?
Well, if one of us had been on deck when that wave hit, it would have been curtains.
If we cut the parachute, we would have been fine.
Hey, it was your idea to put it out in the first place. Remember that.
What's that supposed to mean? You knew the storm was coming. You put us out here. You risked our lives.
시간이 흐를수록 릭은 불안해했고 의미 없는 말다툼만 되었죠.
Hey, who's the lady in the picture down below? Well, that is the original Rose Noel. The Asian princess. Named the boat after her. Love them alive. You still love her? In spirit?
폭풍우가 오기 전까지 그들은 매우 평화로웠죠.
I really don't like
Phil had limited coastal sailing experience. Maybe that's why he was so anxious. His fear was contagious.
How long's this going to last? What's the big surprise? If you guys heard the rain forecast, you would have known about this. This storm's going to blow us all the Tonga in no time. You sailed us into a storm on purpose.
Get it! Good! Get on the radio now! Fuck it! Let's go! The helicopter, get us up! Hello, sister!
Hey! That radio's short range. There's no one out here to hear you.
Why?
Why what?
Why is it short range?
Because I don't have a license.
Why not?
Because I don't believe them, I don't want to waste the money. When you're out here, you're out here. That's the journey you're on.
Fuck you, mate! We got a flip!
We're not going to flip. This yacht can't flip. I've sailed 40,000 miles on one of these. This is just another blow. Yeah, when was that, 20 years ago? Maybe with my own hands. We've already crossed the Tasman together. Be safe, Rick. Relax.
하지만 요트는 이미
What happens if the
뒤집혔고
wave flips the boat the right side up? We're gonna be fine with all this water.
It can't happen, okay? Won't happen. No. We've got to cut an escape hatch. You are not cutting another hole in this bloody boat. Now, you have some respect for her, for me, for everything I put into it. No bloody way. This is our lives we're talking
그렇게
about.
결국 피 같은 로즈노엘에 또 한 번 구멍을
It was
뚫게 되죠.
painful to watch, like the violation of a loved one.
그렇게 조난 8일 만에 바깥 세상을 보게 된 그들. 아무것도 없는 망망대해였죠.
Any hope of a quick rescue seemed a distant prospect.
그때 그들의 희망이었던 신호기의 배터리까지 방전되고
Once the EPIRB battery died, we were on our own, outside standard flight paths and shipping lanes. Wind, current, and the gods were taking us for a ride. The only control we had was over ourselves.
그들은 최대한 생존을 위해 할 수 있는 걸 찾아야 했죠. 나무 판자를 옮겨 길을 만들고 꺼내오지 못했던 식량들을 챙기며 신호 깃발을 세워 올렸죠. 그리고 그들은 최대한 아껴야 했었죠.
And we ration all food from now on.
Who says?
It's the smart thing to do. We don't know how long we're going to be out here. And we're going to get hold of the sails. You're going to dive for them tomorrow.
I've told you already. You can't sail this boat upside down.
And we make decisions by vote from now on. Majority rules and we stick to the rules.
You used to be a cop, didn't you? Hey, let it go, Rick. Man, your emotional body is starving in urinate. Have faith in the God within.
You can shove your dumbass religion up your skinny ass.
Rick, pass me the cabbage. Where's the knife? This one's shit.
이쯤이면 통과해서 연락이 왔어야 했고 남은 이들은 점점 걱정하기 시작했지만 아직 아무도 수색을 시작하지 않았죠.
Not going to be able to get through anyway.
What's that, Darren? What did you say?
You're not going to be able to get through. Gordon will radio for you. You arrange a time with John.
What do you mean?
Gordon's supposed to call him and get his position, but John's not going to be able to call him or name the boat because his radio's illegal. That's the deal.
The deal?
I heard him talking about it. Gordon's gonna call him and give him a weather forecast.
Well, why didn't you tell us this before?
고든을 찾아가 보는데
That's what John and I agreed. It's almost 8:30, so you might be listening. Cargo calling Rose Noel. Do you read me? Your position, please. Over.
하지만 그들에게 닿을 리 없었던 무전. 그 시간 존은 탱크에 있는 물을 받아보려 하지만 수천 리터의 물은 어디로 증발했는지 사라진 상태였죠.
Check them already.
And?
Empty.
What happened to it?
Where's all the water gone?
Well, it must have drained out when we capsized.
It's drained out. How come?
There are air vents in the tanks.
Why didn't you bloody well tell us? Well,
We need to stay calm.
Shit! You guys got to face the facts. Well, we're going to die. And there's no point about your stupid mast or your stupid rationing. We've all had it. Fuck the lot of you.
필의 불안감과 함께 소중한 칼마저 떨구게 되고
get the knife backwards. You bye-bye film.
Bugger off! It's not my fault there's no bloody water!
Stop it. Come on. Rick, leave him alone. Okay, I'll go down and look for the sails now. I'll do it now, all right? Is that good enough for you? Yeah, well, have you suddenly changed your tune? Because you're a dangerous man, Rick. Things go wrong, things don't go your way. You throw a wobbly. You don't trust. I'll get the sail.
No, I'll do it.
You? Yeah, sure. Bad idea, Phil. I should do it. I know where they are.
So do I.
감정 주체가 어려웠던 필은 그대로 물속으로 뛰어들고 시간이 지나도 나오지 않자 릭이 뛰어듭니다.
He felt he was running out of time.
그들은 얼마나 생존할 수 있을까요? 조난 한 달이 지나자 남아있는 가족들은 그들을 찾는 데 모든 걸 쏟기 시작했죠. 방송과 언론, 그리고 정부까지도 그들의 행방을 찾기 위해 고군분투했죠. 시간은 점점 흘렀고 그들은 살아남기 위해 극한의 상황에 적응해 나가기 시작하는데 낚싯대를 만드는 필.
When we capsized, we would have been about here. Prevailing current, it's going that way. Take us maybe 10, 20 miles a day. So, after 34 days drifting, that would put us right off the map.
But there's nothing there. Nothing until South America. That's gonna take us
At least 8 months. Possibly. Or the current could take us north along the line of the continent, but well other side of land. And that would add another 1,000 miles. 1,000 miles. Yeah. Just you wait. You blokes are going to be famous.
그들은 존의 말에 충격에 빠지고 이 상황을 아무렇지 않게 받아들이는 존을 그들은 이해할 수 없었죠.
What are you doing? You writing your memoirs?
Haven't made my mind up yet. Might be a book. Might be a love letter to my ex.
Who? Rose Noel. Poor bitch you named this piece of crap after. Why'd she dump you anyway?
She didn't dump me. She died in a plane crash. Pan Am 816. She was on her way to join me.
Oh.
But there's been many women since my sweet Rose Noel. Too many.
You're a real catch. Sane, handsome, young, normal, sane. Rick.
불같은 성격의 립과 침착했던 존은 전혀 다른 사람이었죠. 별 기대는 없지만 낚시를 하며 지푸라기라도 잡아보는 필. 그리고 지금 이 순간조차 인생의 일부인 것처럼 존은 사진으로 담아내고 있었죠. 하지만 그 순간 필은 또 한 번 실수를 하게 되고 유일한 희망이었던 낚싯대를 바닷속에 빠뜨리고 말죠.
Phil lost the rod.
That was the only rig we had. First the only decent bloody knife, and now the rod. How bloody thick are you?
I'm sorry, okay?
No, not okay. It's everything else about you. You're a greedy, farting pig.
I just want to go home.
그들은 많이 지쳐 있었죠. 얼마 남지 않은 통조림에 연명하고 그렇게 조난 36일째 그들은 얼마 남지 않은 물마저 하루에 한 사람씩 나눠 마셔야 했죠. 그리고 필은 파이프를 이용해 물을 모으자는 기막힌 제안을 하게 되고
Good on you, mate. Hey, now you're pulling your weight.
그들은 칩수 시스템을 만들기 시작하죠. 시간이 지날수록 그들의 가족 또한 슬픔에 지쳐갔죠.
It is now 6 weeks overdue. Following an unsuccessful search by RNZAF Orion,
Considerable expenditure of public money.
이제는 갈증을 넘어서 탈수 증상이 시작되고 있었고 음식 없이는 오래 버틸 수 있었지만 물 없이는 오래 버틸 수 없었죠. 그러던 어느 날 밤 비가 오기 시작하고 빗소리에 잠에서 깬 그들은 그들이 만들어 놓았던 파이프로 떨어지는 물로 물을 가득 채우고 비로 몸을 씻고 물을 마시며 이 순간만큼은 그 어느 때보다 살아있음을 느꼈죠. 그동안 지쳐있던 몸과 마음이 씻겨 내려가는 그들. 그리고 다음날 생존을 위한 또 하나의 희망을 발견하게 되고 물고기가 또다시 올 거라는 믿음에 그물을 만들고 그렇게 생존 50일째 옷을 널고 들어오던 필은 다시 한번 물고기를 마주하게 되죠.
Come on, Harry.
드디어 물고기를 낚아챈 그들은 환호합니다. 처음으로 식사다운 식사를 즐기고 오랜만에 맛보는 생선회에 만족스러워하는 그들.
No fish in the sea, eh, John?
There will be now. They'll be coming for the bounces in the hull.
When are you going to check those gas tanks, John?
There's no telling how far they've corroded. One mistake blows all the bets. Come on. Let's just appreciate what we've got. We don't give thanks enough.
그들은 물고기를 구워 먹으면 더할 나위 없다 생각했었지만 존은 그저 감사했죠.
And please help John find his inner what have you so that we can use the bloody gas tanks. Amen.
Amen.
After 2.5 months at sea, the Rose Noel had become a floating reef. Our menu was expanding. Barnacles, seaweed and kingfish. Plenty of kingfish.
Oi! Imagine that fried.
I'm not going to give up on the gas tanks, John.
릭은 영양 부족 때문인지 어지러움증이 생기기 시작했죠. 결국 존은 피 같은 로즈노엘에 또 한 번 구멍을 내게 되고 가스탱크를 열어봅니다. 존은 조용히 한숨을 내쉬었지만 불을 얻은 그들은 기뻐했죠. 드디어 사람다운 식사를 할 수 있게 되었고 오랜만에 구운 고기의 맛을 보게 되죠. 시간은 어느덧 75일이 지나고 그들은 이미 바다와 하나가 되었고 불을 얻게 된 그들은 조금 더 과감해집니다. 바다와 함께 얻을 수 있는 모든 식량을 얻어보죠.
Tomato puree. Delicious. You're bloody artist, Jim.
What's supposed to happen if you kill an albatross?
Ancient Mariner was doomed to wander the oceans forever.
The ancient mariner didn't fry his, so I think we get a pass.
So much food, we could have people over.
평범했던 그들이 이젠 정말 선원이 되었고
Happy birthday, mate.
릭은 선원과 함께 생일을 맞이하게 되죠. 망감이 교차하는 릭은 눈물을 흘립니다.
It is only because of your lies that they searched the Kermadex.
That was John's fourth waypoint. It made sense to look for them there.
Bullshit.
가족들은 여전히 마음 졸이며 그들을 기다리고 있었죠. 수색 또한 길어지지만 그들을 찾기란 하늘의 별 따기였죠.
It had taken nearly 3 months, but finally we were beginning to work as a team. Each of us had a role. We had food and water. We could have gone on forever.
그리고 그날 밤 멀리서 오는 배 한 척을 발견하지만
There was no point in telling the others. The ship was too far off to see us. It was better to spare them the disappointment.
118일이 되는 아침, 짐이 이를 보고 있을 그때 짐은 무언가를 발견하고
Get out here!
조금이나마 가까워지는 육지를 보며 그들은 감격합니다. 살 수 있다는 희망에 드디어 웃음 짓는 릭.
Fix your eyes down, you son of a bitch!
The others were looking forward to lives they could return to. But my life was here, with what was left of my ruined Rose Noel. I had nowhere else to go.
See that peak?
Yeah?
That looks like Hiroshima. The mountain on the barrier. Well, all mountains look pretty much the same from a distance. I worked it out. It must be an island of South America. Hiroshima. Mount Hobson. I reckon that's it. Well, how could that be possible? We've drifted thousands of miles in the other direction.
You might be wrong.
마침내 육지가 다가왔지만
We could almost touch the land, but having no way of steering Rose Noel, we were in danger of being cast under the rocks.
What was that? Must be the mast. Hitting the seabed.
If the mast were driven up through the hull, Rose Noel could break apart and throw us into the sea.
Gotta get off the boat.
하지만 거센 파도와 바위 때문에 배를 정박할 수 없었죠. 존이 물에 빠지고 주변에 있던 상어와 마주치게 됩니다. 그들은 당황하지만 침착하게 존을 구해내려 하죠. 상어의 밥이 되기 몇 초 전 간신히 존을 구해내고
During storm and tempest, we just drifted gently to shore. When Rose Noel could take us no further, we slipped into the water and waded to dry land.
바다에 몸을 맡겨 드디어 도착한 육지. 바닷물이 아닌 흙과 돌의 냄새를 맡으며 그들은 안정을 되찾았죠.
Greg? We should give thanks.
Let's just be thankful we made it. Mate, eh? That's enough.
Of course we do. What'd I tell you? Right away.
아름다운 육지에 안도하면서도 존은 여전히 로즈노엘에 머물러 있었죠.
Oh my god.
그리고 그들은 집 한 채를 발견합니다. 집 주변에서 열쇠를 찾고 망설임 없이 먹을 것을 찾아 허기를 채우죠.
I couldn't join the party, the feeding frenzy. All I could think of was my poor Rose Noel, drifting helpless in the bay. I wanted to return to her, but I didn't have the strength.
정말 오랜만에 삶을 되찾은 그들.
Top up there, mate.
Oh, thank you, mate. We are four bloody lucky guys.
Yes, we are. A toast. Tomorrow, with any luck, we find a phone and we get off this island. It's very unlikely the four of us will ever be alone again. Well, not like this. John, I want to thank you for getting us through this. It's because of you the Rose Noel was a bountiful mother to us all. To John.
I don't know why you were so certain that we were going to be saved. And please spare us any more of your crackpot theories, but although it's hard to admit, I guess you were right. In the end.
Yes. I hope that after all we've been through, we can remain friends. Famous friends. They'll give us all medals.
Yeah, the friends.
생사의 길에서 서로를 의지하며 끝까지 버텨온 그들은 행복한 잠을 이룹니다. 다음날 신고를 받고 방문한 경찰.
Can I help you, blokes? Who the hell are you? Yeah, what are you doing in Jim's house?
Where are we?
What do you mean? Great Barrier Island?
그들이 도착한 곳은 다름 아닌 출발지였던 뉴질랜드였죠.
Hey, what's going on here? Who are you?
We're the crew from the Rose Noel.
그로 인해 선원들이 전부 살아있음을 세상이 알게 됩니다. 그리고 그들은 가족들에게 연락하죠.
Rick?
Yeah.
Rick?
It's me. Sorry, love, didn't recognize you. Are you there?
Oh, God, sorry. Yes. Oh, darling.
Are you there?
Yes, of course I am.
Jeez, I missed you.
Yeah, I know. I've really missed you.
Yeah, well, you just get a...
John, your turn.
정부에서 보낸 비행기가 무사히 그들을 집으로 데려가고 89일 만에 모습을 드러낸 그들을 취재하기 위해 언론과 사람들이 그들에게 몰려왔죠.
Why is that? Faith. Abiding faith.
Serious? Christ, can't this wait? If you want us to believe your story, Mr. Glennie, you better cooperate.
After all we'd been through.
What did you do for food and water all the time you were supposedly adrift?
구조의 기쁨도 잠시 신문을 하는 공무원들에게 회의를 느끼고 가족들은 그들을 보며 행복해하죠.
I struggled to comprehend how we could have survived so much and yet be treated with such suspicion.
Well, I don't know what these men have been doing for 119 days, but they haven't been drifting on the ocean.
And it was only the beginning. We had no inkling of what we were about to walk into.
So what do you say, John, in response to those who don't believe you? Is there an alternative story?
You know, I couldn't give a stuff what anybody thinks.
Jim, check it out. John's on the telly.
We were adrift all that time, survived only because we were careful, clever, and looked after each other. For the rest of my life, I'll be grateful to Phil, and Rick and Jim. In the circumstances, they were the best men I could have hoped for. If you're watching this, guys, I thank you.
존은 로즈 노엘을 잃었지만 그들에게 진심으로 고마워하고 있었고 그건 그들도 마찬가지였죠.
Most miraculous survival story ever. How four men and an upturned boat could drift on the high seas without trace for nearly 4 months and live to tell the story. So remarkable was their tale of survival that some began to doubt that it ever happened. But a report released today backs up the incredible saga.
This inquiry, with detailed scientific evidence supporting it, has demonstrated that this is absolutely true and in fact is one of the great stories of human survival on the seas.
Rose Noel's skipper, John Glennie, describes the report as fair and thorough. Glennie says it answers the doubts some people had.
Sadly, 8 months after our return, Rick died of a brain tumour. Jim helped take care of him and then trained as a nurse. Phil went back to sea. He even made several voyages across the Pacific and fathered another child. But despite the ordeal, we had survived so well together. After we left the island, I never saw Rick, Jim or Phil ever again.
영화 어벤던드 2015는 실제 로즈노에로 119일 표류 사건을 바탕으로 한 생존 영화인데요. 극적인 연출보다 극한 상황 속에서 인간이 어떻게 버티고 무너지는지를 사실적으로 담아냈고, 개인적으로는 존이라는 인물이 극단적인 상황에서도 감정을 앞세우기보다 판단과 신념으로 상황을 받아들이는 태도가 매우 인상 깊었습니다. 영화의 주인공들 모두 실존 인물로 당사자의 기록과 증언을 바탕으로 재현되어 좀 더 몰입감 있게 감상할 수 있었습니다. 실화에게 더욱 설득력 있게 다가왔던 영화 어벤던드 2015. 영상 끝까지 시청해주셔서 감사합니다.